Man, I'm getting thirsty. I'm going to go get myself a Sprite from the vending machine. Why won't my money go inside the vending machine? Oh well, let's try again so I can get my Sprite. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me. Why won't this freaking vending machine put my money in? I just want my Sprite. Well, I'll just try to put it in one more time, and if it does this again, I will freaking break it. Good, I finally got my money in.
Jude made it Vended.
Oh my lord, why won't this vending machine give me my stupid Sprite? I want my freaking Sprite right now. Since this vending machine is not giving my freaking Sprite, I'm just going to break it. Good, I finally got my spirit, you idiotic stupid vending machine. This is what you get for not giving me my freaking Sprite. Well, since I got my Sprite, I'm now going to drink it.
I'm going to get myself a Coca-Cola from the vending.
Oh no. It's Chuckie Finister.
Classic Lincoln leg. Did you break the vending machine?
To tell you the truth, yes. I broke the vending machine because it wouldn't give me my Sprite.
You did what? Oh my gosh, Chuckie Finister, are you out of your mind right now? How dare you break the vending machine? You know breaking the vending machine can get you roasted. And that cost a lot of money. That's it, girl. I'm right. Now, I'll call your parents about this.
No 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 no.
Which graduate will go out got art.
Seriously, classic Lincoln Loud. Why? Just why would you break the freaking vending machine? You should far know by now that the vending machine is really expensive.
I'm sorry. Mom, Dad, Lincoln, Lola, and Lan, it's just that it wouldn't give me my Sprite.
That doesn't matter, young man. You are grounded for 58 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
And think about what you've done.
I agree with Lola Loud, and we suggest that you staying there until we say you are allowed to.
Yes. Mom, Dad, Lincoln, Lola, and Lan Loud, if y'all say so,